Hey Dekoni fans, today we're going to show you how to install your ear pads for the Philips Fidelio X2. First, start by removing the ear pads by pulling them away from the ear cup. Take your new Dekoni ear pads and find the stitching seam. This goes toward the top of your headphone. Now align the standoffs with your ear pad and press firmly. Gently tug on the pad to ensure all 4 pins are properly sealed. Repeat this process once more for the other ear pad. Now kick back and enjoy the sense and simplicity from your new Dekoni ear pads for the Fidelio X2.